Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about updates to Polestar. Also, we will be talking about its stock, Ggpi. It is a SPAC, special purpose acquisition company, that will be doing a reverse merger with Polestar to bring it onto the market. We will be talking about this and some very good news. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Don't forget to share this with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. Also, I do have very nice promotions down below. Right now, we are running a special. If you open an account, put in up to $100 or more, we'll grant you 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, and a chance to get an iPhone 13 Pro as a Christmas gift. Please take advantage of that. Without further ado, I did want to transition and talk to you about Polestar. There has been a lot of new updates with this company moving forward. So the Polestar 2 is one of the Volvo's electric vehicle companies. Volvo did break off and branch off and create Polestar in the beginning to make it as a race car company. Now they are going full electric with the Polestar 2. It's an all-electric four-door car, but right now there has been a lot of updates on this vehicle with its software. Polestar did just announce that it has increased its range on the Polestar 2. Before, it did make about 235 miles on a single charge on the single electric motor, but they did now increase that and bump that up to 270 miles. They did also increase the speed of this vehicle through over-the-air updates. So this is one of the best things about getting an electric vehicle. You do not have to take it into the shop to get it maintained. So right now, great news coming out from Polestar. In addition to this, we have just seen in my past video, I did make a video on the Polestar 3. It's a very beautiful electric vehicle SUV that will be coming out next year in the year 2022. It will be made in the United States, and this car will be great in it, starting to have a lot of buzz and a lot of demand, which is going to be great for this company moving forward. Right now, as a company, Polestar did partner up with a Chinese company called Geely to make its electric vehicles, the Polestar 1 and Polestar 2, for the international market. Now, that being said, Polestar 3 will be made in the United States, all-American SUV. It will be made in the same factory in South Carolina as the Volvo XC60. Because this is a branch of Volvo, they will be allowed to use their factory to mass produce this. So that is great news that we will see a lot of vehicles being produced in the US for the US market and also for the worldwide market as well, which will definitely propel the stock forward. Now, Polestar as a company has already been selling vehicles. They did meet a very nice demand, but they have announced that in next year, in the year 2022, they will be making 29,000 electric vehicles for the masses, for international. They are already selling vehicles in China, Europe, and the United States market, and it does have very nice popularity, and it is growing quite nicely because they are hitting all their production marks. Now that we've talked about Polestar as a company and its updates to its vehicles, let's talk about the stock. It is trading right now under the special purpose acquisition company Gores Guldenheim, which is ticker is GGPI. This stock has been having a lot of downward pressure as all EV and tech stocks have been falling in the past few days because we have a lot of global fears of inflation. Also, the Fed has been talking about to correct this inflation. They are considering increasing the interest rates, which will definitely allow companies less opportunity to raise money. So remember that these EV companies, these startup companies, do need a lot of money to get these companies and get this rolling. Right now, Polestar does have a lot of huge backing by Volvo, also by a Chinese company named Geely. In addition to this, they are a Swedish-based company that is doing very good in its own market, in the European market and in the Asian market. So this car is selling very, very nice. Now, that being said, GGPI, Gores Guldenheim stock has taken a huge hit, but it does give us a lot of nice buying opportunities. Just to show you what the stock has been doing in the past one day, we are at $11.14. This is one of the only stocks that did have a green day or it did trade sideways, whereas a lot of the other stocks did fall on Friday. But in the past 5 days, we are still down on this stock for about 4.5%. We did go under $11 to $10.87. In my own opinion, if you can get this stock under $12, you are getting a great deal. I would actually say a steal of a deal for long-term growth. But right now at these prices, it is a steal of a deal. But it actually went down below $11 to $10.87 on December 15th on Wednesday. But you can see it did have a high only of $11.70. So we are at that sweet spot right now. In the past 1 month, you can see that this stock has been hammered along with the other electric vehicle stocks at 19% down. It did have a high of about $14.11. It did test 14 about 3 times in the past 1 month. On November 22nd, it was $13.94. November 24th was $14 and the 29th was $14.11. That is the biggest resistance that we are starting to see in the past 1 month. But look at this right now. We are at that base. We are at that sweet spot at that bottom where it does give us a very nice opportunity to get into this stock. In my own opinion, I do definitely think that this stock could drop a little bit more, but it will not drop that much more, which does decrease your risk of losing money into this stock. But their upside potential is huge. There's a lot more upside potential in this stock versus downside and risk potential, in my opinion, and in my opinion only. But please always do your own due diligence, your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. I did just want to back up and show you how this stock has been doing. So whenever it did start as the Ggpi, it was the special purpose acquisition company. When they did not announce who they're going to be merging with, it was trading always around that $10 mark. As soon as the news came out that Ggpi will be doing a reverse merger with Polestar to bring it into the stock market, which will be actually, the merger will take place at the beginning of next year, the year 2022. So it will be just the next few months coming up, potentially weeks. I do believe it's going to be the next few months coming up. I'll definitely also give you updates as to when this merger will be happening, but Polestar will be trading as PSNY once this merger does happen. If you own shares of Ggpi, they will automatically be converted to the PSNY Polestar. But right now, as you can see, when this news did come out, this stock went from about $10.50 all the way up to that high of $16.41, which is a 44% upside. So you definitely have a lot of great potential. One of the biggest things I really like about this company is it has not had any analysts review it. I do, in my own opinion, think that this stock is worth about $18 to $20 at this price point. It does have a valuation of about $20 billion, which makes it dirt cheap when you do compare it to other electric vehicle companies such as Lucid Motors, Rivian, Tesla. I do definitely think that this company can compete with them. They are starting to get their increasing their range of their battery. They do also have performance, but one of the nicest things about Polestar is its entry price. You can get this vehicle with government incentives for under $40,000 for an electric vehicle, which is dirt cheap in my own opinion. It's still quite high for the masses, but they are starting to bring down the prices so more and more people can afford these. But if you do definitely need to get into an electric vehicle, this does give you a very nice opportunity and a lot of technology in the vehicle to get into this car. So I definitely think it will be for the masses and it will do quite well. I did just want to show you what analysts are saying out there for the future of Ggpi, which will be Polestar. In the next 1 year, they are projecting that this stock can go up to $17.50. In the next 5 years, it does have a forecast of about $42. So if you get this stock right now, as I mentioned, under that $12 at $11.14, it's trading right now. Even if you can get that lower, it does give you very, very nice opportunity to grow your money and to increase your gains. So definitely take a look at this, put it on your watch list. Always do your own due diligence, but I do believe in Polestar. I do definitely believe that this company will do great things into the future. But I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Join the community. Hit the notification bell so you get all my videos. Also, don't forget to share this with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, as we are growing this channel quite nicely. We are over now 11,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for doing that. Also, take advantage of getting free stocks. It's free money using my link down below to Moomoo. If you open an account, put in $100 or more, we'll grant you 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. You get a chance to get Apple stock, Amazon stock, Tesla stock. My viewers have already received this. Don't forget to get yours. If you do put in that $100 or more, we'll get you a chance of getting that iPhone 13 Pro. And also, if you put in $2,000 or more, we'll get you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Also, for my non-US and US residents, I do have a link to Webull, which can give you 5 free stocks for a Christmas special right now. So don't forget to get your free stocks. It's free money for you. I did want to help each and every one of you to get that free money. But thank you again so much for all your support, for watching. And don't forget to go out there, make some money, but most importantly, enjoy life, enjoy your family, your friends. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. And have a great week. Thank you.